Taurus, hi! Welcome to Mystic Wing PH. At ito ang inyong weekly reading for July 28 to August 3, 2025. If you're interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Paki-check nyo na lang information kung paano mag-book for a private reading. And please subscribe to our channel to show your support, like, share this video, at comment na rin kayo kung kayo'y naka-resonate. And meron tayong promo sa tarot reading services. So, meron tayong 20% discount kapag nag-book kayo hanggang July 31. Ayan. So, ganito muna ang setup natin. Dahil ang aking computer ay hindi na nagwo-work. Yung laptop ko, ayaw na niyang mag-record. So, let's begin, Taurus. Ano yung energies for you this week? For Taurus. Okay, so this is your overall energy. 10 of Swords, Challenge, the Chariot, Opportunity, the 9 of Pentacles, and the blessing is the 9 of Wands. Whoa, okay. So, some of you, Taurus, pwedeng meron kayong mga challenging situation ngayon. Like, something is ending, something is kailangang i-release, no? You may be releasing a relationship or a situation that is no longer serving you. Bottom of the deck is, di ba? The Death card. Oh my God. Oh, this is transformation, change, endings. You have the Moon. Grabe, oh. The Moon is about your emotions. So, maaring medyo heavy yung energies nyo ngayon, Taurus, because of the transformation that you are going through. May magtatapos, may magsisimula. And actually, ito yung hindi na naman kailangan tong katakutan or na parang malungkot kayo because of this. Kasi lahat naman tayo nag-undergo sa changes. May mga challenges at yung mga challenges na yon, yun yung tumutulong sa atin para mas mahasa natin yung ating sarili. 'Di ba? So, definitely, there's a big change. 2 of Swords. So, meron kang decision making na kailangan gawin. Oh my God. Or you have the Judgment. Judgment is about reinvention ng sarili mo. This is a rebirth. Ikaw na lang hinihintay na magde-decision dito, Taurus. Ace of Wands, new beginnings. See? Exciting to, actually. Kaya huwag kayong matakot. So, your overall energy is the 10 of Swords. Ito yung matagal mo nang tinitiis sa buhay mo. Pwedeng matagal ka na nagtitiis sa trabaho, sa sitwasyon mo, relationship mo, na you feel like you need to let go of. Kailangan nang matapos Kailangan mo na i-let go yan. With the Chariot as your challenge, parang may pumipigil sa'yo. Pero hindi na mapipigilan 'yan. Oo, maaring matagal mo nang pinigilan or iniwasan yung pagbabago, but this week magbabago na siya. may changes na. And you have the opportunity to focus on your finances, your career, your business, kung paano mas pauunlarin ang iyong sarili. Maaring mas maraming oportunidad na magbubukas para sa'yo ngayong week na to. And this is financial stability. So, maaring may mga bagong oportunidad sa trabaho na kung saan mas malaki yung kikitain mo. Pwedeng trabaho yan or business. This is exciting. Okay? And then, your blessing is the 9 of Wands. So, ibig sabihin nito, may sapat na lakas ka para pagdaanan or i-overcome itong challenge na to sa'yo. Kaya mo. Oo. Kasi mga Taurus, fixed signs yan and earth sign pa. So, talagang pagdating sa pagbabago, medyo hindi sila ganun ka-open sa pagbabago, lalo na kung may malaking kailangang tanggalin sa buhay nila, or alam mo yun, example, paglipat ng bahay, hindi ganun kadaling lumipat ng bahay for Taurus or lumipat ng trabaho, lalo na kung naging komportable na sila doon. But for you, I feel like it's time, no? You will be blessed with courage to face any difficulties. So don't worry. So let's see. Money, career, finances. Money, career, finances. For Taurus. Oracle of Cups. So this is kung ano yung malapit sa puso mo, mahal mo. Oo. Maaring iba sa inyo maipupurso kayo na creative na project or creative job, creative career, or business. Ace of Swords. New beginnings sa iyong trabaho, business. Pwedeng matagal mo na itong iniisip or pinaplano. At finally ngayon, meron ka ng lakas ng loob to make things happen. Kasi pwedeng may magti-trigger sa'yo niyan eh. Let's say sa trabaho, biglang nairita ka na, ayaw mo na. Di ba ganun? Minsan nagtitiis tayo sa isang sitwasyon tapos hanggat kaya natin. Tapos biglang meron lang yan na last straw. Or parang may threshold ka lang na, hanggang dito na lang. Okay, ayoko na. Goodbye. Ganon. So, maganda naman ang pagsisimula for a new opportunity sa inyo, sa career, trabaho, or sa business. Now, sa inyo namang love life, natin? Love life. Ace of Cups, o new love life. And kung kayo ay kung ang nire-release nyo ay relationship, letting go, separation, ibig sabihin nito, mas magfo-focus ka sa sarili mo. You're going to love yourself more. Okay? Elder of Wands. At mag-explore ka. Maaring you realize na this time, kailangan mo rin namang asikasuhin yung sarili mo kaysa yung ikaw yung lagi nag-aasikaso sa iba. Or, this is freedom as well. So, you are freeing yourself from limitations. Diba? Ganda. Maaring travel opportunities sa ibang bansa or yung iba sa inyo, oh my God. Meron ditong specific na energy for a foreigner romantic partner. Kung di mo pa nakikilala yan, may kilala mo na yan. Syempre, you have to go out of your way. Pwede rin makilala mo to online or sa mga dating apps because why not? You have Mercury. This is communication, your thoughts. So, maaari ring affected kayo ngayon ng Mercury retrograde. So, pay attention sa Mercury retrograde. You are also focusing on taking care of your needs and your love life, your loved ones. Merong help, may tulong, may assistance from people na who cares about you. So, hindi ka nag-iisa sa challenges na to. May alyansa, may tumutulong. May willing to extend their help sa inyo. Childhood, so maaring you are revisiting your past. Pwedeng meron kayong babalikan na dati yung tinitirahan or may ma-meet kayo na dati yung kaklase or kalaro ng bata kayo. Ganun naman pag retrograde no? Energy from the past. Ayan, so maaari rin magpo-focus ka sa pagpapalakas ng iyong pangangatawan. So, medyo vulnerable kayo at this time dahil nga sa nangyayari or sa pinagdadaanan ninyo. But, do not focus on the problem, focus on the solution. Kasi eventually, ma-overcome nyo yan. Okay? Gaia's Gateway. Access Earth's inner wisdom. Ayan. So, yung iba sa inyo, Taurus, marami na kayong pinagdaanan, no, na mga pagsubok. At yan yung nagpalakas talaga sa inyo ngayon. So, kumbaga, yun yung you have to be proud of your achievements. 'Di ba? Maging proud ka sa achievements mo kasi yan yung paano ba yun? Kumbaga sa mga nasa serbisyo, yan yung mga medals mo, yung mga honors mo, 'di ba? So be proud of that. Kasi marami ka nang natutunan, may wisdom ka na coming from your experiences. At yun yung gagamitin mo, mga magagamit mo para sa mga susunod mo pang adventure. Okay? So that is your reading, Taurus. Thank you so much. See you again.